In a shocking incident, a video has been released showing Rishi Kapoor's last minutes in the ICU. Rishi Kapoor, who passed away a few days ago, was admitted for a possible relapse in cancer and breathing difficulties. This gross violation of privacy has enraged people both in Bollywood and the ones who received the video, which has obviously been shot by a hospital staff and shows lack of sensitivity and decency. Just because a person is a celebrity, that doesn't mean they don't have a right to dignity. While Bollywood celebrities have a love-hate relationship with media, who need the media coverage but often face an invasion of privacy, it looks like the obsession with movie stars and every phone having a camera reached a new dangerous low. A leaked video has been circulating on the internet where a member of the medical staff has recorded Rishi Kapoor in the ICU while another shows Ranbir Kapoor performing the last rites in the hospital for his father. इस तरह के वीडियो को देखकर many people from B-Town have expressed outrage and shock and asked the police to look into the matter because इस तरह किसी भी पेशेंट को रिकॉर्ड करना किसी अपराध से कम नहीं है. Actors Arjun Kapoor and Karan Wahi and actor and host Minnie Mathur सब ने बहुत ही strong words में इस इंसिडेंट को क्रिटिसाइज किया है. Minnie even tagged the Mumbai police in a social media post asking for strict action to be taken. While Arjun didn't mention the leaked video, he wrote without mentioning the particular leaked video and said, "The choice is not to post something is sometimes as important as to be the first to post something. Images have a lot of power, lest we forget. Sometimes humanity and empathy must prevail over being first to embrace use of sly, voyeuristic material presented to you." Actor Karan Wahi, जिन्होंने admit किया है that he saw the video and decided to delete it immediately, said कि उन्हें ये privacy invasion बहुत ही disturbing लगी. Karan said, "There's a forward that a ward boy or someone has a shot of Rishi Kapoor in the hospital just before he passed. I saw it, and I think it's a gross violation of privacy." Actress and anchor Minnie Mathur also tagged Mumbai police to take strict actions against the offender. Just came across a disgusting, completely invasive video of Rishi sir on WhatsApp in hospital, actually titled "Last Video is RK." Obviously shot by a hospital staff member. I know humanity is at sea at the moment, but can we please stop this insensitivity and not be party to this? If you see a video like this on any group, can you please insist that it's taken down? Can we stop this vicarious celeb goggling even when they are indisposed and unaware? It should be a legal offense, Mumbai police, and met with the strictest action. Thankfully, as soon as the hospital came to know कि ऐसा incident हुआ है, उन्होंने तुरंत apologies के साथ statement release की. The statement read, "It has come to our attention that a video of one of our patients is surfacing on digital media platforms. At Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital, patient confidentiality and privacy is of utmost importance to us, and we strongly condemn such actions. The hospital management is investigating the incident and strict action will be taken against the perpetrators." Celebrities need to stay in the news by being photographed. But in a situation where the celebrity is unaware or has not given their consent, उनकी इस तरह photos लेना inhuman है and should not be tolerated at any cost.